Hi everybody, my name is Julie and welcome to our lifestyle blog on Waimaoku. Today I thought I'd talk to you about our chooks. And this, as you can see, is the chook house and it is called Chook Towers. So we have a look inside. Got a couple of girls who are nesting and we actually have a Clucky chook. We've got about 15 hens and a rooster named Russell Crowe, who's hiding at the moment. I'm sure Russell Crowe will be really enthused to hear that. Anyway, the chooks are laying, and then we have the broody hen, who I'll just go and grab. She's a Plymouth barred rock. She's a great girl. She's making a real clucky noise, which sort of like that book, 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 which they tend to do a lot when they're broody, and they also like to fluff themselves up. And they sit so tight. Good girl. They sit so tight, don't you? Yes, you do. And see how she's fluffing herself up here. And what they do is they go into a sort of like a trance-like state, and they'll sit so tight on those eggs, and they'll stay there pretty much for 24/7. And forsaking, well, they can forsake food, don't you, girl? But not when I'm about, you don't, because every morning and every evening I'll hoist them off the nest and pop them outside. We actually don't need any chicks at the moment, so hence the reason for that, which isn't mean either, by the way. But if I was going to let her sit on her eggs, then I'd move her through to the hutch, which is just over yonder. So we'll pop you down. There you go, girl. And see, she's really fluffed up and she's making that noise, so she is really obviously clucky. Look. Anyway, everybody, that's about it for me today. I hope you found this interesting, but just remember, chooks and veggie gardens don't go well together. Cheers. Hey. Don't you dare fight, no fighting.